My wife and I made 10,000 zero DTE trades in 75 days using AI and made about $300,000. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you what we did, how we did it, and the results. As I said, we used AI to make 10,000 trades. These are all zero DTE trades, and we did it in 75 days. These are real trades using real money. There are no simulations, no cherry picking. We used our real money, and we made real trades, not paper trading at all. Our starting capital was $1 million in buying power. All of our results are reported after paying fees, after paying commissions, and after all the slippage. Our trading framework was zero DTE index options. All 10,000 trades were used. We didn't do any cherry picking, and they're all multiple entry iron condors or exponential moving average trades. They were suggested by AI after doing weekly back testing, millions of back tests. We used the same rules, the same risk controls for every single trade. No discretion, no prediction. We didn't care what was going on in the market. We just made the trades every single day. Here are the results. As you can see, we made $341,000 in 75 trading days. We made 10,039 trades and about 13.3% capture rate. Just so you can see, there's 10,039 trades. Here's the 13.3% capture rate. By the way, we use our own AI assistant, which we built, called Vera 2.0. Before we used AI, our capture rate was around 7 to 8%. After Vera 1, we were at 8 to 10%. And with Vera 2, we're at 13.3%. Granted, it's only 75 days, but that's where we are. Notice also the trend is pretty consistent. We've pretty consistently been on an uptrend. And as the account grows, then we increase slightly the number of trades that we do each day. So now we're at about 1.3 million in buying power, and it continues to compound as that goes forward. Our win rate, our win rate was only 36%, but we expect to lose more often than winning. That's absolutely expected. Our edge comes from the payoff and balance. The average winners are always greater than the average losers. The losses are very controlled. Our max drawdowns are minimal, and we have asymmetric returns, as you can see from those graphs. We sold $2.5 million worth of premium. We captured 13%. It's basically just like selling insurance. Our drawdowns, there were loss clusters, and survivability was extremely good. Our drawdowns were temporary. They were very small, and the system survived the variance quite easily. What would fail here is if we had tried to do manual overrides, that would have failed. If we tried to do opinion-based decisions, that would have failed. Any discretion would have failed. We did not use any discretion. It's 100% math-based. In fact, on our channel, we often say math makes money. That's how dedicated we are to the math. What this proves is that consistency beats accuracy. It wasn't important to be accurate. It was important to be consistent. The structure beats prediction. Structure always beats prediction, and probability wins at scale. The math is on our side, and that's why math makes money. If you're ever interested in diving in deeper this, we do a daily show at 3:45. We show every single trade we made and the results every single day. At Sunday at 6 p.m., no one else on the internet does this. Sunday at 6 p.m., we're going to tell you what our trades are. We do 2 different accounts. We do the $30,000 challenge where we do 6 to 8 trades every single day. We give you the trades for the entire week on Monday. And then in our $1 million account, now 1.3 million, we do around 150, 160 trades a day. All of our trades are done with bots, but we only give you the top 20. We got to keep some of them for ourselves. At any rate, my name is Rob Helmick. My wife is Maria, and we hope you have a great trading day. Please, by the way, if any of this is valuable to you, please subscribe. We'd sure appreciate it. It helps keep the channel alive.